Walmart, we called that earlier, is now at its peak here, triple top around 64. You want to see Walmart break that 64 level, everybody, okay? Sundial, new high a day. Tilray, new high a day. Yeah, Tesla's at the 200.
2-minute EWO too.
Thank you. Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, second 2-minute EWO on Tesla. I can tell you, okay, so right here, I want to explain something to you. So right now we're at a 2-minute EWO. I don't buy this until the break of this 200 MA. Can everybody see this?
Yes.
Yes, coach, of course.
Yep. So even though right here everybody's, yeah, but coach, it's your rule is as long as it's higher than a previous candle. Wrong. You are in a critical area. This is a critical area. I don't want to touch this thing until it breaks above. Why? Because we already know the 200 MA is one of the largest levels of resistance out there next to VWAP, right? So this is a double top. But I'm telling you, even if it wasn't a double top, I wouldn't touch this thing until it broke that major level of resistance, right?
Yes, sir.
I just wouldn't do it. There's no reason. And this, though, this right here, this exact setup is why you will hear people, coach, but I got in the 2-minute EWO and it went against me. Well, no shit. Look where you got in at, right? We got to, at some point, you guys have to start putting a lot of this together, right? If we're on a resistance level, what does it typically do on resistance? Pulls back. So why the hell would I be buying calls on a pullback? Look at SPY. I told you the market was crashing right there. I hope you guys heard me when I said that. Yes? Right here again on this Tesla. This is exactly why I'm talking about this. Oh, but coach, the 2-minute EWO is all set up. Look at Baba blasting off. Good call on that, Baba. This is what I'm talking about. Now, this can find some legs again, right? And it can run up. But here's what I don't want. This is what I don't want. I don't want you to have gotten in the trade on the 2-minute here. Now you're bleeding out, right? You're waiting for it to return. You might be bleeding all the way to VWAP. But coach said if it's not below VWAP, stay in it. You got in at such a wrong time. The whole thing is blowing back here on you. You're losing money constantly. You're trying to figure out what the hell to do right now when you should have waited till this critical area here to get into the upside. Am I right? Now real quick, and I'm going to get to that question. I wanted to show you guys something. This area right here, this 174, we wanted to wait for the break and hold above the 200. This was a double top, favorite trade pullback down to support, which is VWAP, and a bounce. Isn't this textbook, master scalpers? So here we go again. But now look, 2-minute EWO riders, you're like, wait a minute, coach, but the whole thing has been green. I don't care. You're not set up yet for the perfect setup. We have to be patient. Patience. Danielson. Now, if you look at this, look at where this ended over here at 242. Isn't that real close to the number we were talking about? Right? Gold line. See it? So probably if this does have like one of its worst shithole days it's ever had, excuse my language, but it will break this. And if it has one of its worst days, it will probably come down here at 242-ish and bounce, because that will be a really good range for total absolute failure. And you can see it's already went down here before. So this would be a huge, huge, huge pull.